Hey guys, how's it going? I'm back here with some more deck reviews, card flourishes, and magic tricks. So the magic trick, or the deck review I'm gonna do today is the just your generic brand that you would find at a gas station that are in like packs of 2. 1 second, let me get the other box. It comes in blue and it comes in red most of the time. And these are just the most generic you can get. They're not even as generic as bicycle cards. They're just the poopiest, and will come in a package like this with wrap around them in a little cardboard box on top. So yeah, let's get into this. As you see, it's just a sealed box right now. But these are the most generic cards you could possibly get anywhere at all. So I'm just doing I'm not doing a specific review on one type of card. I'm just doing a review on the generic cards that you would find at your local store, because most likely they'll be the same. So here's the box, very plain and generic-ish, and very just plain, Hope you guys can see this. I'm over here, but okay. So let me open up the deck of cards. Okay. Now, the one part about these cards that when I first opened the blue deck, that I realized that they're kind of like the Jokers. They're cartoony. They're very weird looking, but we're not really gonna use those. The Ace of Spades is probably the best looking card in this deck, to be totally honest. But there is one thing I don't understand, why they have the club symbol in the middle. I don't know if you guys see that. It's like a little club symbol in the middle, but it doesn't matter. I'm gonna put in order. Now the one thing I do not like about this deck, like the number one thing why I hate generic card decks, is that the edges on them. These edges, they're so rough and have such a texture on them that it makes it kind of uncomfortable to split it, do a swing cut, and to hold it in like mechanics grip. It kind of hurts your flesh on the thumb here. It hurts it kind of a little bit. I'm sorry, 1 second. There's a little edge on my desk. When I put my arm on here, it hurts a little bit. That feels very weird. But yeah, as I was saying, the edges. What you have to do if you buy, this is just if, I would buy these if, say, maybe all my cards are worn away, like my bicycle breast cancer cards are worn away, or my cards just like run out and they like start fading and they don't, slide very well. These cards are kind of the ones I resort to. They really don't make a good fan, as you can see, but they're overall, like okay pair of cards if you don't have the money, or you don't have like a credit card that you can use right away, or something, and you just need the cards very quick. These are the cards I would probably get, to be very honest with you guys. They're not the greatest, not the worst, but they're generic and they're not too fancy, as you can see. They do like to stay in more chunks than I would say bicycle cards. They are kind of slippery, but I do like them in general. I don't like them, but they're okay to use, is what I'm trying to say here. So that's kind of all I got for this card tutorial. Card deck review, whatever you want to call it. the next deck review I'm probably gonna do are my bicycle cards. But and then after I'm actually getting some cards shipped to me. So yeah, I'm probably gonna do a review on both of those cards that I get. I'm gonna actually get 3 pairs. So yeah, I hope this video helped you or told you cool or these little generic cards here to use to get if you run out of stuff. So it's kind of all I have to say. There is one more thing I want to say, that when if you're looking for cards to get, if you're looking for like a place to get cards, the easiest place to get these generic cards are local gas station. And if you can't find them there, if you live in the States, go to Walmart, you know. But if you live in Canada and out of states like China or India or any places like that, I'm not really sure. I would say gas station and probably like your supermarket that you would call it, or a store, you know, like your main general store where you get furniture, food, anything like that. That's where I would probably tell you to go. Okay. I hope this helped. I'll see you guys next time.